3x. Below 3,200.
From last 5 rounds, 1, 2, 5. Pachinko were the winning segments. Good luck, everybody. King, but it was 20x. Good luck. Yandere singing to the princess of crazy time. No doubt she is. Oh, no, Yandere. 4x on a crazy time is in Tussle, ladies and gentlemen. Nah, I'm just young. I would say I'm the loudest, you know. Good luck, everyone. Woo! Crazy time with the 4x multiplier. Yeah! Let's go, Chucky. Yeah! Good luck. Woo! Let's go! Crazy, 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 crazy! Woo! Welcome to the crazy time, everybody. 4x multiply from the top slot. Don't you forget to put it on. Yeah, put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Woo! And right now, the choice is yours. Sweet flappers in front of you. Blue as a blueberry jam, green as a green tea matcha, or maybe that yellow as the sunshine outside the summertime. So it looks like the majority is heading off for that blue. Let's go. 400x, baby, that's the biggest one. Woo! Good luck, everyone! Yeah! I was gonna get maybe that as well. Yes! Woo! 80x on that green, 100x on that blue, 200x on that yellow! Woo!
Too strong. 3,551 people with the win with the one, and good luck with the news. Wow! Once and once and once and once and once. Twice with the 2. That's how it's been in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. The last 10 spins. 8 times 1, 2 times 2. What? 4's crazy time. Stop. Yo, let's go. 4x crazy time. 4x crazy time. Let's go have some fun. Yeah? Oh, let's beat that 400x from the cash on. Yo, let's go. There we go. Come on. Oh, doubles. Very nice. Alright, I'll choose your flopper green, blue, yellow, blue, green, blue, yellow, blue, green. Which flopper you're gonna choose right there? Alright, best of the best. So all of you, 400x. Oh! Is there a trick? Double, triple, double. Come on. Oh. What? 60x. Look. There is a potential for 800x on the green. 800x on the green. Come on. Do. 2,600x now it is online. Oh my dear. Go, let's go. Come on, Melina. 1,600 or the double. Oh my dear. Over there. Oh, that's 3,200. Okay, let's go. Come on, 3,200, 3,200, 3,200 double. 3,200 for a double. 3,000. Come on. 3,200, 3,200, what is that? 1,800, 800. Ooh, yo, not bad. Yeah, it's not 3,200 though, but...
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.